In this problem, we need to determine the number of line segments that can be created by joining dots on the last two circles. So let's take a look at the first circle where we have 3 segments. You can see the 3 segments. But one way to count this, and you want to try to come up with some kind of methodical way of counting. So I'm going to start with the first point, and there are 2 line segments coming out of that point. Now I've counted those line segments. I don't need to count them anymore. So I'll move to my next point, and I have a 3rd line segment. So first there was 2, and then 1, and that made 3. Now in my next figure, I'm going to do the same thing. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, and then 1, and that completes the whole thing, and that gives me 6. So in our next figure, we've got 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this one gives me 10. And does that come from 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1? Yes, it does. So for the next one, where we have 7 line segments, or sorry, 7 points, and we want to determine the number of line segments, I'm going to look at how many points I had each time here. So here I had 3 points, here I had 4, and here I had 5. So we're skipping 6. I just want you to notice that, and we're going on to 7. So that's what it's not going to continue the pattern identically, I guess you would say. So we're just going to be missing that 1 in the middle. So how do I determine the number of line segments here? Now I could draw them, and I could count them while I'm drawing them. But also I can look at, well, what happened each time? We started with one number, or the number that is less than the number of points we have. So we start with 3 points, so we had 2 line segments and then 1 line segment, and we added that up. Then when there were 4 points, it was 3, 2, 1. When there are 5, it's 4, 3, 2, 1. So for 7, I'm going to guess it's going to be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When I add that up, adds up to 21. And then I can verify it by counting if I'd like to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, well, I think this is going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and then 1. And there you go, 21. That's how you solve that problem.